Good everyone, it's Mark Anthony Malika reporting from 5000 North Ocean on this beautiful day in February. We're on the 7th floor now on a corner southeast residence. Just a spectacular view. Even the lower floors, in some ways even a better view as we're looking out the living room. You're just looking right directly at the beach and the surf. Still have a horizon view. The southeast exposure is ideal for terms of sun throughout the day. And even the view to the west is just spectacular. This is the best that life has to offer in beachfront living. Here we are on the 4th floor of a North Seabreeze residence, those large corner 3-bedroom, 4.5 bath plus family room. And you can see the countertop, just a spacious, gorgeous piece, and then this beautiful, beautiful cabinets going in. You can't tell, it's the light uppers contrasted with the natural wood colored lower cabinets. Just absolutely beautiful. So exciting. We're on our way to being finished and offering occupancy to our owners this fall.